Adrianna Rose Anderson. Since we've met, my life has done nothing but change, or nothing but get better and brighter. You are the greatest part of my life, and I've only fallen more in love with you. And through our time together, you are the greatest part of my life, and through our time together, I've only fallen more in love with you. I could be going through the darkest time of my life, and all it would take is your smile to make that darkness fade away. That's why today I ask for your hand in marriage, so that I may always have your love through the brightest of days and through the darkest of nights, through stormy weather and through the fairest of skies. I promise to love you forever and always, even in death. I will find you, even if I have to wait for you. I love you, Adrianna Rose Anderson. I cannot wait for you to become a mock and expand our wonderful family.
David, when we first started talking, I happened to be visiting family out of state. You were so sweet and kind that I couldn't help but talk to you. Being able to talk and connect with you on that long ride home, it made it go by so fast when we finally met. When we finally met in person, I couldn't keep in my excitement to finally see you face to face. From that day forward, you changed my life forever. You became a person I could tell anything to, the person I wanted to spend all my life with, the person I thought about from the time I woke up to the time I went to bed. You became my best friend. You always make me feel like I'm the most important person in the world. You understand how my brain works, and you comfort me when I get too overwhelmed. You are the one for me. I vow to be with you through the good and the bad. I vow to always laugh with you. I vow to comfort you in times of sorrow. I vow to be there in sickness and in health. I vow to always be your best friend. I vow to be the person you can come to with anything. I vow to be honest and faithful. I vow to always love you even after death parts us. You are my one and only, the one that makes my heart complete. I vow to love you unconditionally. Today I take you as my husband. It's you and me. I love you forever and ever. Amen.
Today to celebrate the union of Adrianna and David. The gift of marriage is a miracle, and this ceremony presents us with a wonderful opportunity to celebrate the love shared between these two.
David, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love. With the promise to love you today, tomorrow, always, and forever.
Adrianna, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love, the promise to love you today, tomorrow, always, and forever.
Before these witnesses, you've pledged to be joined in marriage with love for each other and sealed this promise with the exchange of rings. It's my great honor that by the authority vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride for me.
Hey sister, don't worry about a thing that's weighing on your mind. The sun's going up, get ready for the shine. Everywhere that you turn, your future's looking bright. Hey sister, oh, hey brother, don't ever give up the dreams inside your head. Keep moving on up with every single breath, 'cause the world needs to see the you that's truly you. Hey brother, oh, the best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. I know, I know, I know, I feel it in my bones. Yeah, the best, oh the best is yet to come. Hey future, I believe we're heading for the day where the work that was done will finally make a way to the hope that we have for all. That's why we say, hey future, oh, the best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. I know, I know, I know, I feel it in my bones. Yeah, the best, oh the best is yet to come. The best is yet to come.